Hello, my name is Josh. I grew up in Rumney. I'm studying sport in college, level 3. I am working to be a powerlifting Paralympian. Firstly, at like 13 months old, I had spinal surgery as the doctors found out that I had dwarfism, which the doctors said I might not be able to walk again, and I am. And then I started sport at 7. I started athletics for throwing, javelin, shot put, and discus. I got world champion in shot put and discus, but I was second in javelin. I was 7-time junior champion in all three. And then I started powerlifting at the start of 2025. Bench press only for para. I started that through Sheffield as a British weightlifting coach saw me and got in contact. I've trained for 8 months now in the gym, and then I've been selected for Georgia in March, which I'm working to for the European Champs.